So, it's me again, your Ate Jojajo, no edit, no filter, just me. So, for today's vlog, another vlog, ayan, nagbabalik na naman ako. This vlog is about mga pursuing your dreams, goals in life. So, I just want to let you know na, nabasa nyo naman sa title, discipline yourself. Kahit sino naman nahihirapang mag-discipline, but then, if gawin yung habit, ay, sinasabi ko sa inyo, matututo kayo. Pray for yourself. Yes, kahit ako, minsan, nahihirapan din ako. But then, sabay-sabay tayong tahakin. Yes, yung mga mahihirap daw ang mga gawin natin. Gaya ng pag-gym, discipline yourself. Yan, yung mga mahihirap na bagay. Yan, like what I said, discipline yourself, you have a dreams. So, kung bago ka pa lang sa akin channel, don't forget to subscribe. So, guys, first, bago mo abutin yung mga dreams mo, kailangan i-discipline mo muna yung self mo. Why? Kasi kailangan mauna yung sarili mo na alam mo yung paano yung i-disiplina yung sarili mo. For example, kailangan mo nang matulog ngayong oras na 'to, 11 o'clock for example. 10:30 na. So, inaya ka ng friend mo, gumimik, uminom. So, if I were you, yes, give them a time, a little bit. Pero alam mo kung saan ka hihinto at sasabihin sa kanila, "No, kailangan ko ng matulog ngayong araw na 'to, ay ganitong oras." Kasi, may time management ako. And alam nyo guys, worth it yun kasi una sa lahat, you're taking care of yourself. Pangalawa, you have a dream. You have a dream. You have a dream for yourself na kailangan mo i-discipline yung sarili mo. For example, mag-gym ka ngayong oras na 'to. So, for example, may work ka, 11 yung tapos mo, tapos ka na. So, may nakasalubong kang friend mo, inaya ka somewhere. You can say no kasi naka-schedule ka for a gym. Yes, it's okay to say no. Hindi puro yes. I just want to remind you, you have the right to say yes or no. Okay? Kailangan mo i-disiplina yung sarili mo. Turuan mo yung sarili mo. Yan, sinasabi ko din yan sa sarili ko kasi may mga time na nawawala ka na, ay, may gagawin pala ako. Hindi ko nagawa kasi nga, wala kang disiplina sa sarili mo. And / time management. You have to discipline yourself if gusto mong maabot yung mga pangarap mo. Kasi parang pangarap lang din yan. Kailangan may goal ka ngayon taon. Kailangan ngayon magawa ko to. Kailangan sa edad na to, ganito, makuha ko to. Actually, age doesn't matter. You only live once. Kaya, meron nga iba na mamatay na agad-agad. Sorry for the words. Hindi na nabibigyan ng chance. Bata pa lang. But you have the chance. You're still here and you have a purpose. Kaya kung ako sa'yo, discipline yourself, unahin mo yung sarili mo, and tell to yourself na maaabot mo yung pangarap mo. Basta may disiplina ka. Okay? And I hope may natutunan ka. Share mo lang to kung gusto mo marinig ng iba. Okay? And lagi niyong tandaan, nothing is impossible with God. Yes, may mga time na nakakalimot tayo, nawawala tayo sa sarili. But always remember, He is with you. He is the one who always love you unconditionally. And hindi ka niya iiwan. Kahit iwan ka ng mga tao. Okay? And I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell for more upcoming videos. Bye! See you in my next vlog.